Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video, we're going on a trip, well, road trip. Say hi. He's my Uber driver slash boyfriend. But we're going to the gas station called the Texas Chainsaw gas station, where gas station was featured, I don't know which movie, but it was featured in that in those movies. I don't know which one, but it was featured on that movie. And we're gonna see it, how it looks like, and I'm so excited. GPS, we're using GPS to get there since we don't know where it is, but he's my Uber driver. Okay guys, we are here in the gas station where Leatherface was featured in the movie. So let's go, because Sophia is getting cranky. Okay guys, we actually experienced everything in the store and the van that was actually featured in the movies, right Sophia?
Yeah.
And now we're about to leave, and it's a 2-hour drive home. Are you excited, Josh, for the 2-hour drive?
No. It takes 2 hours to get home.
So right now we're gonna go, we're just waiting. I'm gonna go on her seat. But it was a great experience. We've seen a lot of characters of the scary movies. Annabelle was there, and the doll was like around, how much it cost? Like 100 and something for the Annabelle, and it's like really pretty big. And the shirts were like $30, any kind of size. And it's like the Texas Chainsaw Leatherface shirts were like $30. So excited for the 2-hour drive home. We're going back home. Sophia's being fuzzy. So see y'all later.